Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. I'm Jocelyn, and tonight's session will guide you into the quiet magic of a snowy winter landscape to help you unwind and drift into the deepest, most restorative sleep. Snowfall has a unique way of slowing the world down, and together, we'll embrace that peaceful rhythm. If this session resonates with you, please consider supporting Soul Hypno Vibe by buying me a coffee at www.buymeacoffee.com/soulhypnovibe. Your support helps me create more content like this to nurture your rest and relaxation. Now, settle into your bed, allowing your body to feel fully supported. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and exhale through your mouth. Feel your body sinking into the mattress, the tension in your shoulders, neck and jaw melting away. This is your time to pause, to let go, and to prepare for a night of deep rest. Let's begin. Let's start by grounding your energy, allowing your mind and body to settle into the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it, and exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling yourself sinking even deeper into the bed. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a snowy forest. The trees are tall and majestic, their branches draped in glistening snow, and the air is crisp and clean. The ground beneath your feet is soft and covered in a thick, powdery blanket of snow. As you take a step forward, notice how the snow crunches gently under your feet, grounding you in the present. The sky above is painted in soft hues of twilight, with the first stars beginning to twinkle. The stillness of this winter scene wraps around you like a comforting blanket, quieting your mind and slowing your thoughts. Feel the energy of the earth beneath you, steady and supportive. With each breath, you draw in this calming energy, and with each exhale, you release the tension of the day into the snowy ground, letting it disappear completely. Silently affirm, I release the stress of the day and embrace the peace of this moment. I am grounded in the stillness and beauty of winter. I allow my mind and body to fully relax. Now, let's connect with the soothing rhythm of snowfall to guide you deeper into relaxation. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine soft, delicate snowflakes beginning to fall around you. They drift slowly from the sky, each one unique and shimmering in the soft light. Watch them dance in the air, swirling gently before settling on the ground. As the snow falls, imagine that each flake carries away a worry or thought that has been weighing on you. One by one, these worries dissolve as the snowflakes touch the earth, leaving you feeling lighter and freer with every breath. Picture yourself walking along a snowy path, the world around you hushed and serene. The trees are heavy with snow, their branches arching gracefully over the path, forming a protective canopy. The only sounds are the gentle crunch of snow beneath your feet and the faint whisper of the wind moving through the trees. Silently affirm, I am safe, calm, and at ease. I let go of all worries and embrace this peaceful moment. I allow myself to be fully present in the beauty of this winter scene. Now, let's transition from the snowy landscape to a warm, inviting space where you can completely unwind. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine coming upon a small, cozy cabin nestled among the trees. Soft golden light spills from the windows, and smoke rises gently from the chimney, a sign of the warmth waiting inside. You step onto the wooden porch, brushing off the snow, and open the door to be greeted by the comforting glow of a crackling fire. Inside, the cabin is filled with warmth and comfort. There's a soft rug beneath your feet, and the scent of pine and cinnamon fills the air. The walls are lined with books and candles, and a steaming mug of hot chocolate sits waiting for you on a small wooden table. You walk over to the plush, inviting bed in the corner of the room, layered with soft blankets and pillows. As you climb into the bed, feel the weight of the blankets wrapping around you like a cocoon, offering a deep sense of security and comfort. Outside, the snow continues to fall, its rhythm slow and steady, like a lullaby from nature. The wind whispers softly against the windows, adding to the serene atmosphere. Silently affirm, I am warm, safe, and deeply relaxed. I release all tension and allow myself to rest fully. I am ready to embrace deep, restorative sleep. Now let's allow this sense of warmth and serenity to guide you even deeper into sleep. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the snowy landscape and cozy cabin fading gently into the background. All that remains is the warmth of the blankets and the soothing rhythm of your breath. Your body feels heavy, fully supported by the bed, and your mind is quiet, drifting effortlessly towards sleep. Visualize yourself floating on a soft cloud. Its surface as light and fluffy as freshly fallen snow. The cloud carries you gently through the night sky, cradling you in its embrace. You feel weightless and free, completely at ease as you drift further into relaxation. With every breath, you sink deeper into the stillness, your thoughts slowing until they dissolve completely. There is nothing left to do, nothing to think about, just the gentle pull of sleep, drawing you into its peaceful depths. Silently affirm, I let go of all thoughts and allow myself to drift into sleep. My mind and body are calm, quiet, and ready to rest. I am deeply at peace, safe, and at ease. Let's end by anchoring affirmations for a peaceful, rejuvenating sleep. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently or softly, repeat these affirmations. I am ready to release the day and embrace restful sleep. My body is healing, restoring and renewing as I sleep. I trust my mind to let go and drift into deep relaxation. I am safe, calm, and at peace. I wake feeling refreshed, energized, and renewed. Feel these affirmations settling deeply into your subconscious, guiding you toward a night of deep, restorative sleep. For those who wish to reawaken, I'll count from 1 to 5. For those ready to sleep, let this moment be your transition into rest. 1. Feeling the support beneath you. 2. Feeling the warmth and calm within. 3. Taking a deep breath, knowing all is well. 4. Becoming more aware of your surroundings. 5. Gently opening your eyes, feeling calm, rested, and peaceful. If you're choosing to rest now, sweet dreams, and thank you for joining me at Soul Hypno Vibe. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.